So I have the kit installed. Had a couple issues I just wanted to point out real quick. One issue that was kind of a bummer was, well, it doesn't clear the grill. So I guess the the grill must come out a little bit further. I've had to remove the grill in order to get the hood to shut. So I'll have to fabricate that somehow. I don't know what else I can do for that, since there's really no way of going behind the bracket, or probably just going to have to Dremel the grill out or something, see if I can make it fit. Looks like it's just barely catching, so that'll be something I'll have to do. But that's not the biggest issue. Currently, get the hood back up. Currently my biggest issue is I believe I might have messed up on those coolant lines that go behind the supercharger. I know I tightened nipples down on the actual intake itself, but now I'm wondering if there was actually a joint on the hose I needed to tighten, or if I need to use Teflon, or I'm not sure. And it's New Year's and they're closed, so can't call anyone to verify. So my next step will be to remove the supercharger and everything on top of it and check those hoses. But now that everything's wired up, I'll be able to circulate and hopefully find the issue. I did drive it down the street just a moment ago. As you can see, the trail of coolant, but one around the block seems to be running fine. Yesterday was a little rough running. I think maybe just everything calibrating, and maybe drive cycle or two later it probably smooth out. It seems a lot smoother today. It's not quite as cold today, so it didn't have to choke as much as it did yesterday. So that's where I'm at. I'll stop here and we'll go to the next one.